Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into something truly fascinating, the world of Lisp programming and a remarkable project called sectorlisp. If you're a tech enthusiast or just someone curious about how programming languages work, buckle up because this is going to be an intriguing journey. So what exactly is sectorlisp? Well, it's a 512-byte implementation of Lisp designed to bootstrap John McCarthy's meta-circular evaluator right on bare metal. Now, if you're wondering, what on earth does that mean? Don't worry, we're going to break it down. Let's start with a little history. Lisp is often hailed as a cornerstone of computer programming. Think of it as the Maxwell's equations of software. It's a language that has shaped the landscape of programming since its inception in the 1960s. But interestingly, despite its impact, much of the focus has been on its more complex features rather than stripping it down to its bare essentials. This is where our project sectorlisp steps in. The goal here is clear: to reduce Lisp to its simplest form. The creators have taken the original meta-circular evaluator proposed by McCarthy and made it even better by focusing solely on essential functions. They've shed the complexity, all that syntactic sugar that often clouds our understanding. Imagine Lisp as a finely tuned machine. Sectorlisp is like the mechanics who come in, remove the unnecessary parts, and keep just what's needed to make it work efficiently. They provide a single pure expression of Lisp, which means you can run just about everything using the essential pieces. Now, there's also a C reference implementation that serves to show how this evaluator can run on typical POSIX-compatible platforms. This makes it accessible for many more people. It's like opening the door to a whole new audience who might not have delved into Lisp yet. Plus, there's an interactive readline-like interface that makes it user-friendly. And here's where it gets even cooler. Sectorlisp provides a 5 and 12-byte i8086 implementation that lets you boot from your BIOS on personal computers. Can you believe it? That's right. This tiny gem could be the smallest true Lisp implementation out there. Let's switch gears for a moment. If you want to get hands-on, how do you start? Well, there's a simple guide. You can run the C implementation after compiling it. You'll end up with a master boot record file that you can pop onto a floppy disk or even run in an emulator. If you're figuring this out in real time, I encourage you to explore an emulator called Das Blinkenlights. What a name, right? It's fun just to say. You could also take a different route with QEMU, allowing you to experience this fascinating implementation firsthand. As we wind down this discussion, I've got to ask, how does stripping down a language like Lisp to its essentials change our interaction with it? Imagine the clarity you gain when you focus on the core functionality without the distractions. It's like decluttering your workspace. It lets creativity and productivity flourish. So, whether you're a seasoned programmer or just getting your feet wet, sectorlisp challenges us to reconsider how we approach programming languages. It brings a fresh perspective, emphasizing simplicity and efficiency. Before we sign off, remember, the beauty of programming lies not just in the codes we write, but in understanding the principles that underlie them. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows, you might just uncover your next favorite project. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, happy coding.